to Scott Stewart of Realistic Outdoors. This is the halibut that we caught off the west coast. And I'm just skinning the halibut now to get ready for tonight. What I want to do with this halibut is to cut it into cubes. And by cutting them into cubes, the reason for it is because the Outdoor Flavors for Bait2Go, I want everybody not only to get great tasting halibut, but to get as much of that seasoning as they possibly can. So no better way than to cut your meat into manageable cubes. And then we're going to go up to the kitchen and we are going to season this beautiful halibut meat. That's even a little bit big, so we'll cut those into halves so that we have little niblets, little halibut niblets, and some outdoor flavors to go along with it. So these, as you can hear in the background, the oil is heating up. These are some of the flavors that Bait2Go have with their outdoor flavors. The beer batter, which is really good. My personal favorite, the Crispy Cajun. This is a campfire barbecue. This is newer. I haven't seen this one before. We're going to be trying that out today. This is a favorite and popular one, lemon pepper dill. This is really good with fish. And we're going to try all of them. We've got enough fish to do it. So I figure, let's try at least one or two. Thanks. Big shout out to Outdoor Flavors. Thanks to Bait2Go for making this all possible.
What is this stuff?
Seasoning?
Yeah.
It's new seasonings from Bait2Go.
There we go.
We have 5 or 6 different flavors, and the best you're ever going to find.
Totally awesome. Very good, guys. You got a winner here. And glad to have you guys aboard with CFN.
And this Outdoor Flavors from Bait2Go and the halibut from the Pacific Ocean. Dude, it just doesn't get any better than this. That is incredible. Can you see the crust layer in that meat? When you cook it, it creates that crust layer.
Does everybody agree this is a thumbs up for Bait2Go?
Yeah, baby!